The one thing that is true for most assistants is that they are busy. There's always something to do. For this reason, time management skills, reliability, dedication, and a strong work ethic are the utmost importance. Assistants need to be able to prioritize tasks, work well under pressure, and think on their feet. This is not a job for slackers. Other important skills to have as an assistant are fast, accurate keyboarding, clear and concise communication, ability to multitask, technical knowledge, such as how to build and update a website, how to manage social media and other related tasks, a friendly and pleasant demeanor, and a desire and ability to learn and advance the agent's business. An assistant will generally have a wide range of duties, and they may vary from day to day. Some of these tasks depend on whether an assistant is licensed or not, and whether they are hired to support one agent or multiple agents. Since there is no industry standard for this position, you may have to work with the agent to understand what they need and how your skill set can help. Sometimes a job description is developed with input from both the agent and the assistant. Start with a list of the basics and then develop the job description over time.